I'm back, baby. That's right, we're back at the snow. First day at Thredbo. Woke up this morning and checked the snow report as I do every morning, and happened to notice there was a couple of extra tickets released, so quickly snagged one of them up, and here we are. So let's get some gear on, get up that mountain. So new boots, got the Ride Fuse, and being new, they're already hurting my feet. So this is going to be a long day as we get the legs back into it, try and get the skills back, and we're in the boots. But at least we're here. First run down. Oh, it feels so good. I picked it up a lot quicker than I was kind of expecting, which is awesome. And I'm so keen to get some laps in, although my feet, god damn, I hate new boots, but it'll be worth it. I've backed the boots off a little down at the toes, which makes them a bit looser, so not as responsive. It's also taken away quite a bit of the foot pain, because yeah, I had to take a break, it was getting way too bad. But this is part of the wearing in the new boot. It's going to be a few days like this before we're totally sweet. Ow! So we just came down high noon, typical high noon, all chewed up. Would be great fun. My legs were feeling a bit better, so we're going to take a break, get a drink and everything, and then we'll probably hit it again and see how they hold up. So I went for lunch and to take a break with the legs, and just happened to find these two. So Miko and Pauline, I mean, what's the chances? They're like parked 2 spots over. Just happened to be right there. So break's over, time to hit some snow.
Yay!
Hopefully not with faces, unless it's one of them.
No.
Oh, yep. Alright guys, this one's chipmunk. My legs are dead. I think I'm getting a blister wearing these new boots in, so that's it. Plus the GoPro battery's about to die. So, time to call it before I hurt myself. Too many little mistakes. Okay, we're done. Yeah, I just started making way too many little mistakes. So I called it. It's day one. And it was actually this time last year that I busted my shoulder. So didn't really want that happening again. So now we're gonna go take a look at the new MIPS gondola here at Thredbo. So let's take a ride on it. So these things are pretty snazzy. Due to COVID at the moment, it's a 2-person occupancy, even though I think 8 is the normal, or what they're built for. But being that I'm downloading and not many people do that, I have the whole thing to myself. And yeah, they're quite nice. It'll make a lot better once they can load more people up. A bit quicker up there, and it is significantly quicker than the old 2-seater chairlift that they used to have here. Plus, I mean, you got protection from the elements. But what an awesome day. It was unexpected. It's so cool to catch up with Mirko and Pauline. I mean, what are the chances? And yes, it's great to be back. Rest the feet. Can't wait to get them out of the boots. Hopefully the blisters aren't too bad. And we'll be up here again in no time. Fingers crossed, all depending on getting lift tickets. Otherwise, the next planned trip up here is the 21st, followed by the 22nd, I believe. I was fortunate enough that was going to be my first trip. However, when I woke up this morning, happened to be a few extra tickets on sale, snagged one up, quick scrape of the boards, chuck everything in the car, and here I am. Thankfully, the patrol held up really well coming up the mountain. I wasn't sure, I was reasonably certain it was going to, but yeah, performed better than expected, which is awesome, which means I'm getting up and down the mountain super easy. I don't need to get lifts like I did last year or fit chains to the Commodore, which is, yeah, super sick. It's only been a short day, but first day, it's going to take a while to get back into the swing of things. So yeah, we're going to get down, we're going to head back to the car, we'll grab a quick snack and make our way home. I will see you back at the car. Oh, we're back at the car. What a freaking awesome day. It's been about 4 fairly solid hours of snowboarding for day one. So I'm happy with that effort, considering I have been pretty lazy lately. And yes, stoked to be back. I'll be even more stoked to get out of these boots. So before we head home, we got one last thing to do. That's buy some donuts. So we can't do our first trip here to Thredbo without getting some hot, fresh donuts. Okay, so we got donuts, we got coffee. It's time to hit the road and head on home and put the feet up. Thank you so much for watching. It's been so good being back on snow. I know I've said that a bunch of times, but it is, I've been waiting for this for ages. It's finally here, and hopefully there'll be plenty more snow content coming real soon. So like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.
If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't